Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Figma. Whether you're tweaking a headline, updating copy, or completely changing the style of your design, knowing how to efficiently edit text will save you time and keep your workflow smooth. Let's jump right in. First, go to your Figma file and make sure you have it open in front of you. Once you're in, you'll need to select the text layer on your canvas by clicking it once. This highlights the text box and tells Figma that you're ready to work with this specific element. You'll notice the layer becomes selected and you'll see it outlined on the canvas. Now, to actually change what the text says, double-click the text. This action enters what's called text edit mode, and you'll see a blinking cursor appear inside the text box. This cursor is your signal that you can now freely type. Go ahead and type your new text or delete existing characters as needed. You have full control here to rewrite, remove, or add any content you want. Once you're happy with the changes, click outside the text box or press the S key on your keyboard to finish editing the content. This exits text edit mode and locks in your changes, allowing you to move on to styling. Next, let's adjust how the text looks. Head over to the text section in the design panel on the right side of the screen. This is where all your text formatting options live, and it's incredibly powerful for fine-tuning your typography. Click the font family drop-down, which might currently show something like Inter or another typeface. This opens a list where you can search for and change the typeface to whatever suits your design. Type in the font you want or scroll through the available options, then select it to apply the change instantly. Now, let's adjust the size. Select the font size field, which is usually right below the font family. Type a new number to change the scale of your text. Whether you need something bold and large or subtle and small, this is where you control it. Finally, click the alignment icons, which typically show options for left, center, and right alignment. These icons change the text justification within its box, so you can position your text exactly how you want it to appear in your design. And that's it. You've successfully edited both the content and the style of your text in Figma. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.